Kingston are manufacturers of modular buildings and park and leisure homes, focusing on the quality aspect of what we do. For full business end-to-end custom branded workwear, I would not hesitate to recommend Clothes2order to anyone. The service has been absolutely fantastic. The quality of the product is great. Clothes2order are definitely the place to go.
The process of ordering from Clothes2order is actually really easy. The ability to have your own log on to a bespoke site that looks and feels like it's a Kingston page, has all of the garments that we want, contact information if you need any support. So it's a really easy process.
So with Clothes2order, we've been able to order a wide range of products which has suited many of our staff. So that enables us to see on the factory floor actually who is doing what.
We wanted the high-vis orange to be direct labour and the high-vis yellow to be indirect labour. The high-vis element clearly for safety, but the colour coding to help our managers spot people in positions they shouldn't be in.
It's actually added more to us as a business because it's given us clear guidelines as regards who's actually on site and who's doing what.
The opportunity for a staff uniform that is good quality and reflects the Kingston brand is essential.
It's absolutely key that our team feels safe, but most importantly, we'll want them to feel as though they are part of the same team working together.
I think having custom branded workwear is a massive enhancement to brand awareness.
The custom branded garments absolutely fit with where Kingston are as a product.
The quality of the custom garments is absolutely spot on, really excellent, and the feedback we've already received, it's the best quality garments they've worn.
Personal service that we've had right from start to finish from the team has been great for us. Not having a lot on site as well is also really good, and the quick turnaround with reorders for new starts and such has been absolutely fantastic. So great teamwork all round.
I've been very impressed with the service from start to finish, right from the initial requirement where we really didn't quite know what we was looking for, all the way through the building of the site, that we can place orders very easily through to the after sales so far. I'd recommend them to anybody to deliver their workwear requirements.